Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get started using Telegram's folder feature. This feature is great if you have lots of chats and need to keep things nice and organized. So to get started, it's a little out of the way as you might expect. It's a little out of the way compared to what you might expect. So to get started, all you have to do is to click on the menu button at the top left and then go to the settings. Here in settings, you'll find the option called folders, and here you can create a new folder. So you can also change whether you want to see these tabs on the left or at the top. I like to keep them on the left so that it looks a little more like something I'm familiar with, like Discord. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to give the folder a name, so I'll call this contacts and friends. Oops, that's a little too long. Contacts. I'll just call it contacts for now. So you can choose specific chats and types of chats. What do I mean by types of chats? Well, if we click on this button, we can see chat types. So there are those that are your contacts, your non-contacts, your groups, your channels, and your bots. So I'll be including my contacts, and this should automatically add anybody in my contact list, which includes my other Telegram account. So I'll click on save for sake of example. I won't be adding my alternate Telegram account here. And then you can also choose which types of chats to exclude. These have different chat types. These include your muted and your archived. I'm going to be excluding those for now. And I'm going to click on save. You can also change the folder color in the chat list. I'm going to change it to blue, but this is a premium feature and is more of a visual change. Lastly, you can also share this folder, so you can create an invite link, and doing so will give some of the folder's groups and channels to others, so they'll have some access to some of the chats there. I won't be doing that for now, but it's definitely an option you might want to keep in mind. Also, you can change the icon if you'd like, but for now, I won't be doing so. So I'm going to click on create, and it should show on the left side of the screen now. So if I go back, you can see the contacts and my chat is there. Then you'll also have your all chats folder that you can use to view everything. So that's how to get started using folders in Telegram to keep your chat list nice and organized. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.